You're about to get some good advice, but it's not financial advice. Check the disclaimer. Guys, once again, this is Alfred from Amassers.com, and today I'm going to be talking about how to use our little watch list on the crypto screener to spot high probability trades on a chart before we even get to the chart. Okay, so let's not waste any time. Let's hurry up, get you this bag, get you this money. Let's let's get this done. Okay, here's a snappy that I took a while ago. This was like the first. Okay, you can see we got this gray here on the watch list. You can see that on this key for our crypto watch list, this says extreme FOMO. Okay, so is this the time for me to get in and buy? Probably not. Let me show you another sign right here on our crypto screener. We've got mostly daily programs to the upside. Look at the pump here. If we went from 1 to 100, we're at like 105. Okay. All of this for the last 30 days, we're at 105. All of this gives me the idea that if I wanted to go long, I probably miss that boat. So, what do? If I'm trying to put together a trade idea, I'm going to probably go short. Now, I haven't gotten to a chart yet. All I know is that this, which is based on data and statistics, it's data driven, is telling me that right now DYDX is cooking, and they may be cooking a little too fast. Okay, let me move on to my next snappy here. And here you can see these are deviation levels, key levels based on the volatility of whatever the stock or because we're starting to do some stock futures on the screener, but also crypto. Now, we're here. We're actually above +4 deviations. So we're out in la la land now. When that uh, exuberance. I forget what they used to call it back in the day. I've been trading on and off like 25 years now. I think they used to call it irrational exuberance. Okay. When you start to see that, we've got to calm down at some point. So the very first thing I'm going to do, and this is important, guys. I know a lot of guys don't like to talk about risk management, but over here, when you mouse over, this is a snap, so it's not going to do it, but you will see smart leverage. In this example, I'm looking at this on a chart on BitUnix. If you find this helpful, please support the site and use our affiliate link if you do decide to trade crypto with leverage. Now, when I mouse over this is going to give me what we call smart leverage. This is going to tell me that if I use leverage, I should be somewhere around 2 to 3x. That's smart. Why? Because this thing right here at the time could easily move 22%. And it's more than that right now. So I don't need to over leverage and get liquidated. Now, if I moused over really right then, it would have shown me something like 4 to 5x. Okay. My 2 to 3 is because I looked at the same pair today. Let's talk about DYDX. What the hell is DYDX, man? It is a decentralized exchange. We just saw huge moves that seem to, it's probably still going on with Hyperliquid. So when you invite professionals into your environment, when you bring the wolves in, okay, the wolves are, it's not terrible if you understand how they're going to play the game. This sector is decentralized exchanges. So they're going to move another decentralized exchange. They're going to start it to moving up. And at a point, some guys are going to jump in, and sometimes it's not guys, it's just they call them dumb algos, but it's just momentum based algorithms that are going to say, I want to get into this action because it's moving at such an accelerated pace. And you're going to start seeing it get taken higher and higher. Some of it is algorithmic, some of it is guys FOMOing in. Regardless, here's what I'm trading something like this on. I'm trading on the idea that this cannot go on forever. This is unsustainable. Okay? Now, I've gathered all of this data. I haven't even looked at a chart. Now let's go and look at the chart and see what this looked like at the time. There we go. There's that breakout. Now, when I'm talking about price action, I see we keep trading in support and resistance. Then we see that first breakout. That's a leg when it stops there. Okay, that second breakout. That's a leg. It stops there. Okay, the third, where this really, to me, it's a liquidity sweep because they coaxed guys in and immediately sold. But we're going to call it the third leg, and we're not going any higher. And then we see a break again. That's moving, and we've got our fourth leg here. What I'm getting at is a lot of people look at the chart and they're looking for price action. I'm also looking for theta. I'm looking for enough time to have progressed that it can't be sustainable for an extreme amount more. You never know. You can go on as long as they want to go on, but at some point the market makers are going to have to bring the price down because they're going to be too heavy on one side. Okay, so I got all of this from our crypto screener. I got all of this from the leaderboard, from the crypto watch list, and now I'm on the chart. I see this breakout, simple ATR here. If I were to put a line across here, I've mentioned this in other videos, boom. You see how we break that with that volatility, and that's average volatility. That's telling us that this is unusual. And all these legs as we broke out, that's telling us that this has been a while. This is a 4-hour chart. And now we see the exhaustion. Here's where I would go in and I would get short. Okay. And there's the dump, guys. Okay, you see what's happening over here? Also, the volatility dropped off and now it's just back down in the same area around here. Unusual volatility suddenly disappeared. Only the big guys can move markets like that. And these are going to be the same tricks they've used forever. I've been trading on and off, speculating for 25 years. It's always the same thing. Why? Because at the end of the day, the markets are controlled by humans and we have predictable behavior patterns. I hope you guys got some from this. I'm not doing this for my health, I'm trying to make you guys some money. Okay? Now, I got barbecue to eat. Happy 4th of July to everybody. I'll see you when I see you. Visit Amassers, like, share, comment, subscribe. Guys, it doesn't cost a buck and only takes a second. It helps us out tremendously. See you when I see you. Peace.